Have you ever wondered what it's like to stay at the Gaylord Resort in Orlando, Florida? Well, guess what? You're in for a treat today because you're going to get a first-hand view at a room here at the Gaylord. I'm going to be showing you a double bed room here at the Gaylord Resort in Orlando. So come along with me. Let's tour this room. Hey guys, and welcome back to the Glory Experience. I am your girl Nisha. We are going to be taking a tour of this room here at the Gaylord Resort. The Gaylord is located in Orlando, Florida, actually Kissimmee, Florida. But yes, the Gaylord is a very beautiful resort hotel, and I am going to be showing you what a double bed occupancy room looks like. So we are here at 9138. We're gonna go ahead and open up the door, go in. All right, guys, so when you enter the room, right here to your right, you have this full length, I'm telling you, full length mirror that is perfect for all of your selfies, your get ready with me photos, your get ready with me videos. It has you covered for that, right? Because a girl loves her mirror, right? We love our mirrors. So this is perfect. This actually doubles as a door for the bathroom as well. So that mirror slides. Isn't that clever, y'all? Instead of having a full mirror on the wall, you have that door attached to the door. That's beautiful. All right, so when you enter the restroom here, it is sectioned off into two sections. You have your water closet. I'll show you that in a second. But you also have your sink area here. Get the light turned on. You have this fully lit mirror here that covers the entire wall here. Isn't that lovely? That's lovely too for all of your selfies or when you're doing your filming your videos, get ready with me, doing your makeup, whatever. Beautiful mirror here. You have a full length sink area here. It has the double sinks, perfect for families, perfect for couples, perfect for singles, whatever. You know, us girls like our privacy or our own area. So a double sink is perfect for that. Here you have, of course, your towels. You have towels below as well. Have some shelving underneath. Perfect for all storing away all of your toiletries and things. It also has a hair dryer here as well. They also provide you with a bunch of toiletries. You get some lotion, bar soap, all of that. You have you some Kleenex. You can also ring for your ring for housekeeping services. They'll bring you whatever it is that you need. Extra towels, extra toiletries. If you forgot something at home, they will bring it up to you. No problems. On the wall here, you have some beautiful artwork. And as we look in the water closet area, just your standard toilet. You have some racks here with more towels. Have a trash can down here and some extra toilet tissue. In the shower area, they provide you with more toiletries as well. You have your body wash, shampoo, conditioner, all of that good stuff. Handheld shower head, perfect. We love that. Get all that soap up off of you. And you also have a shower head as well. And this is a very nice size shower, you guys. Perfect for a single person or if you want to get in there with someone else. You know. It's perfect for two people to fit in there as well. And it also has the glass doors. We love that. We love a glass door because let me tell you, your girl hate a shower curtain. Yes, I hate shower curtains. So that glass door is everything to me. So we're going to continue on. On the other side, opposite side of the restroom, you have this area here that has like a barista setup. You have a coffee maker, some bottled waters. You open up this right here. You have all of your stuff in here to make coffees and teas. They also provide some organic teas, half and half, cream, sugars, all of that. Down beneath, you open up this door, you have a mini fridge. So yes, we love a good fridge in the rooms, right? Okay, so now you have your closet here. So full size closet. You have an ironing board with a full size ironing board and iron in here as well. And it's a lit closet. So when you open up the door, the light automatically comes on. Perfect for getting dressed with the lights out in the room, or when it's dark. On this side of the closet, we'll slide that open. See how the light comes on. You have a rack here in case you want to hang some things there. But you also have here on the shelf, you have your ice bucket and some glassware. You also get a safe in your room here. So if you have some money or valuables you need to store away, keep safe, you have a safe. Down here you have 2 pull-out drawers. So good space for keeping your clothes and things. And then you have another area down here that you may want to use for some shoes or things. So we'll go ahead and go into the resting area. 2 queen size beds here, guys. They're nice and comfortable. I'm telling you, I already tested it out. You can see how the sheets are all wrinkled up there, but nice and comfortable. On the side of both of the beds, you have a reading lamp here. Perfect for when you're just laying in a bed, relaxing, and you want to do some reading, catch up on a book, anything like that. In between the 2 beds here, you got this nightstand that has a pull-out drawer as well. And then, of course, you got to take the Lord with you everywhere you go, right? Perfect. You have a desk lamp here. I'll turn that on. Perfect. Keep the room nice and lit. You have a clock here in case you want to keep track of the time, you know, if you're here on business or for leisure, and you want to set your alarm. You have a desk clock there and your telephone. Guys, they also provide you with a notepad and pen as well. I've been to some hotels that didn't have that, and it was kind of annoying, but you get it here. Again, you have another reading lamp on this side of the bed as well. Some beautiful artwork on the wall over there, guys, if you can see that. Nice and colorful. Here, just a look. Our view from this room. It's not much of a view, but it is a view. If you can see over in that area there, we have like a little bit of a water, a little pond area. Such a beauty. That's very beautiful. Huh, I can't talk, huh? All right, so if you can just take a look. We are the Gaylord. I do want to mention to you guys, the Gaylord is literally 5 to 10 minutes, less than that. I'm telling you. It's like 5 minutes away from Disney. So this is the perfect hotel if you want to come and stay here to bring your family, friends, a solo trip, whatever it is, honeymoon. The Gaylord is perfect for that. It is a prime location to stay. But we're going to continue on with this tour, right? So on this side of the room, of course, you have a trash can there. We have a desk here that is a good size desk, perfect for if you're here on business and you want to catch up on doing some work, or whatever it is that you need to do. You need to use the desk. Above the desk, you have another good sized mirror, circular mirror. Of course, you have your desk lamp as well again. Over here, we have two pull-out drawers here. It's a bench area with pull-out drawers. You can keep your clothing or shoes or whatever in there. You also can sit on this. It doubles as a bench that you can sit on. And guys, take a look at this. A full TV. I'm telling you, this is a nice size TV. This is like a 50, 55 inch TV, maybe even a 60. Yeah, I think this may even be like a 60-inch TV. It's a pretty large size TV here. So that's nice to have. Okay, guys, so that concludes our tour of the Gaylord room here, the double bed room here at the Gaylord. So again, I'm going to tell you guys, this is located about 5 minutes away from Disney. It's a nice prime location. If you want to come here, you're bringing the kiddos to Disney World. This is a good hotel to stay at. It is a large hotel. It has so many things on the ground here. You're going to want to catch that video because I'm going to be giving you guys a tour of as much as I can of the grounds here at the Gaylord. But you want to catch that video. It's coming and it'll be uploaded soon here. But yes, this is a beautiful resort. If you're coming on a girls trip, guys trip, just a family vacation, solo vacation, honeymoon, perfect place to visit. So thank you for stopping in and watching the video. If you're new here, I want to say hello. Thank you for stopping. Don't forget to subscribe. Come back and see me again. And if you are a returning viewer, welcome. Welcome back, guys. Hugs and kisses. And come see me again, right? Okay. See you in the next video. Bye.